beautiful. I forgot things could be beautiful. I forgot it was an option. I had given up hope. I want things to be beautiful.
Drive you away. I know what you'll say. You say, oh, someone you know. But I promise you this.
No, she won't be gone forever. There are many times I find it feels that way. And I'm not trying to forget her, just understand how I'll be feeling on that day. It's just like seeing her for the first time again. It's just like seeing her for the first time again. The time she's not around.
It's such a shame that you became such an issue. Oh dear Johnny, I'll miss you.
Dingle bongle, dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy teeter.
She got that boom 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 boom, and now I made her room boom 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 boom. She told me.
I'm waiting. It's filthy, disgusting, so ugly. I'm sure I'm ugly, disgusting, and filthy for sure. I'll turn my head.
The districts barely knew her, and District 12 had never accepted her as one of their own. In a few years, there would be a vague memory that a girl had once sung in the arena, and then that would be forgotten too. Goodbye, Lucy Gray. We hardly knew you.
Oh my god! Daniel! Oh my god, sweating.
I don't think
I'm motherfucking sweating.
I lost my vision.
She lost her vision. How many fingers am I holding?
10.
Oh shit. Do you want to
to see my Mike Wazowski come out of me? Do you want to see that? Because you're gonna see it right now. Mike, come out.
Everywhere, man, looking for someone.
Please don't desert me. I was up early, up all night. I was scratching off the 30s. You make me feel dirty. Tell me I'm disgusting. Tell me that you love me, but really you mean nothing. I don't wanna talk, no, it's not up for discussion. You control my life, I feel like a fucking puppet. Keep telling me to shut it. Okay, baby, alright. I remember nights we were dancing in the moonlight. I remember hiding, I was shy and I had stage fright. I remember crying, I just want you to be alright. Want you to be okay, okay, baby, alright. Want you to be okay, okay, baby, alright.
All I want is you now. All I wanna do now is wait for you to call me. Baby, I'm so sorry. Do you wanna hurt me? Are you gonna hurt me? Please don't desert me. Please don't desert me.
I see, wearing me, showing my good side. I can see how people look down. I'm on the outside. Here's
Here she comes walking down the street. Maddie Klein and her fabulous loving machine. In the place where I used to
Get into Hall H.
I thought excited as I grew enlarged in turn. Never knew I'd face this again was heaven sent, but now I just see the memories as they come.
One more bad break could bring a fall. When I'm far from home, don't call me on the phone to tell me you're alone. It's easy to deceive, it's easy to tease, but hard to get released.
Pourrions-nous revenir sur cette histoire? Oui, c'est bon, j'avoue. J'aurais dû te croire et I remember nights we were dancing in the moonlight. I remember hiding, I was shy and I had stage fright. I remember crying, I just want you to be alright. Want you to be okay, okay baby, alright. Want you to be okay, okay baby, alright. All I want is you now, all I wanna do now is wait for you to call me. Baby, I'm so sorry, do you wanna hurt me? Are you gonna hurt me? Please don't desert me, please don't desert me. All I want is you. She says it won't hurt, but everything you do makes my heart race. I can't even think straight. Is this just to get into you? Reruns every night, it's always the same fight. I think you should know. I hate your touch, I hate your mouth. I can't stand every single one that falls out. But you're all that I've been dreaming of. This is not another song about love.
Oh hi, I'm a creeper. So nice, nice to meet you, but the time is time to leave and tick tock, tick tock.
I can't stop singing this bloody tune, tune, tune. It's gonna make my brain go boom, boom, boom. I can't stop singing this bloody tune, tune, tune.
Then who am I? An imperfect design, an exception to find. Do words I sing even mean anything? My existence attached to a string. And who is she who sits on ivory when we go 83? It's all we know under your control. Will my goodness forever be bound to yours?
You stupid bitch!
Jack, who were you touching earlier? What was her name? Your mom?
Is this spirit being a smartass by saying that it was touching my mom?